Hey guys, most of the teacher, most of the scholar in India and specifically in the abroad, they acclaim that they teach the student about the uses of article that article A is used with the consonant spelling. That is absolutely wrong. Why? Because I would like to clarify that according to GR policy, article A is used with the sound of consonant and sound of consonant must be countable and singular. For example, user, uniform, unicorn, urine and European. In this all spelling, you are observing that we are using first letter E and U. Is that clear? Which are vowel. But despite that, we will use here A. Is that clear? Because A is used according to sound of consonant. Is that clear? And here in this all spelling, E and U as a vowel are using as a consonant because these are sound of consonant. That's why. Is that clear? So guys, if you like this knowledge, then you can follow us at our social media handles. And guys, if you want to access more information about English tricky videos, then you can visit at our official website whose official URL link is www.navya.in. And guys, you can contact at our helpline number which is 09414008310. I repeat again 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.